Hello everyone, if you observe our snippet box application, so if I click sign up link, I have to get the here sign up form, one HTML form. So before we can log in any users to our snippet box application, we first need a way for them to sign up for an account. So we will cover how to do that in this video. So in order to do that, I have to have one sign up form. So I am going to create one sign up page template. So go to HTML directory. Yes, now sign up page.tmpl. So I'm going to write the markup code here. So this is the markup that I wrote. I just copy and paste. Okay, this is just a form that contains name, email and password. Okay, I'm going to save this and I'm going to execute this form on my browser. In order to display this form on my browser, I have to go to handlers.go and then here I'm going to change the code. So I'm going to enter in the file app.render. So name of the string will be file. So I gave signup.page.tmpl. So now template data will be, I'm not displaying any template data for this moment. So it could be null, it could be nil. Forms dot new nil. Perfect. Okay, let's execute the program once. So go run cmd web star. Okay, perfect. Server is running. Open the browser. https localhost 4000. Okay, it's running. If I click this, I have to get a form. Okay, perfect, it's working. So and the next step will be data validation. We are going to validate each and every user input. So for instance, check the user's name and email passwords are not empty, and I'm going to check the email is in correct format or not, and I'm going to ensure that password is at least 10 characters long, and if the email is already used, and I have to display the message here, email is already in use. So in order to do that, I have to go to forms.go, because for our previous videos I have already created this form.go. So here I am writing the one regular expression I already wrote. This is the regular expressions to check whether email is in correct format or not. Okay, so and then I wrote min length method to check the password field at least 10 characters long. So I take the value and then checking the empty or not. So and then I have written the matches pattern method. Okay, this pattern will check the email is in correct or not, in correct format or not. Okay, now once we have done this, we have to go to handles.go and add some code to process the form and run the validation checks. Go to handlers.go. This time I'm using sign up user, not sign up form. Sign up user form handler function. I'm going to use sign up user. First we have to pass the form data as usual. We have done in our previous video. Parse form, and then I'm going to check the error equal to not null, not nil, app dot client error http dot status pad request, and then return this error. The next step will be I'm going to validate the form contents using the form helper we made earlier videos. Okay, form will be form dot new. Here I'm going to post form. Okay, is this right? Dot post form, yes. And then we have to mention the required fields, form dot required. So I need a name, email, and password. Okay, and then I have to check the pattern, email pattern as well, that I have wrote the regular expression. Then I have to check the minimum password of the length is 10. Okay, so if there are any errors in parsing, then I have to redisplay the sign up form. Form dot form dot valid. Okay, app dot render same. I'm going to copy and paste this. I don't need until here. Where we are. So here we are. So I have written this error, this same page. So now I'm going to restart the server. Go run cmd web / okay, perfect, it's working. Now open the browser, then place the request, https localhost, click on the sign up. Okay, I'm leaving this field empty and I'm not giving any format, and just type the password is less than 10 characters. Just click on sign up. Okay, this field is cannot be blank, this field is invalid. Okay, perfect, it's working. Okay, and the next step is I have to store these. I have to store these fields into my database. We will see how we can do this in the next video. I hope you understand, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.